cut a lemon and put salt. Then put it in the kitchen and see what happens. The lemon is a citric that brings great benefits to our body, being vitamin C what contributes most. It is used in the kitchen and is also used in natural medicine to create a lot of remedies. So in this video we will tell you what the benefits of lemon with salt, in addition to a lot of uses you can give lemon. But the benefits of lemon do not only reach organic issues, but in some cultures are attributed powers to drive away negative energies and at the same time attract well-being and prosperity. But if we combine lemon with salt, another precious and powerful element of nature, we can get a disinfectant that eliminates germs, bacteria and viruses that abound in the environment. Try it in the kitchen, to eliminate germs, bacteria and others. 1. Take a container and squeeze several lemons. 2. Pour plenty of salt. 3. Pour some water. 4. Take a rag, moisten and clean the kitchen. 5. You can also scrub the kitchen floor with this mix. The following is an important list of the different uses you can give to lemon or lemon combined with salt. 1. The smell of lemon goes back to warm climates, to spring and summer. It is a refreshing and penetrating fragrance that never goes unnoticed. Take some green lemons, cut them into several pieces and place them in several containers distributed in the rooms of your house. It will serve to aromatize and refresh your home. 2. Take a lemon, cut into several slices and place in a center of table sprinkled with a little salt. This will eliminate the negativity and bad energies that circulate around your house. 3. Another trick to attract well-being and prosperity is by placing a floor made of rice in a ceramic bowl and supporting 9 lemons. You should place this container on the refrigerator. Rice is also known as an amulet to attract abundance. I ask 3 favors. 1. Subscribe. 2. Share it with your friends and family. 3.